All right, we are good, I think. Let's just double check the YouTube. 2 seconds, guys. Just getting things set up, but I think everything should be okay. And just a second. Hello, Twitch. Hello, YouTube. Let's go on to screen here, guys. Yeah, I think that does work. I'm just testing like the OBS stuff. Okay, so Twitch comes through. Okay, but not YouTube. YouTube doesn't come through. Okay, we can fix that. Hopefully we can fix that. 2 secs, guys, 2 secs. Okay, well I think it's... I'm not sure why it's not working on there, but alright, let's get started anyways. Let me just double check that actually the sound is fine as well. Yeah, it should be good, it looks good. Test, hello. Okay. Lovely. Okay, that's good. I have the chats on the side. And we should be good to go. Alright, so today I'm going to be making a Telegram bot to message my fiance/wife. So the point is, hear me out. When I'm in like non-disturb mode, I will like not message people back. I won't be on my phone too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bot, especially for Rio, so that she can talk to the bot, and if things are urgent enough, then it comes through to me, and it can like flash the lights in my office, for example. I think that would be pretty cool. So maybe something like that. But I think the AI part will be interesting enough anyways. And then the bot can message me like somewhere, or I can have something set up. But yeah, let's get started. So here we are. We're gonna have to figure out how to make a Telegram bot, but I think we might just start talking to the AI. And I'm going to be using SvelteKit, because it's something I've been enjoying recently. So, you know, it's pretty nice. Let's create a project. I want that, and I think that's it. Nothing of that. We want to use bun. There we are. Great. So, oh, it called it my app, right? Okay, here we are. So bun dev. Oh shit. Okay. Start again. Minimal. Yes. Just Tailwind. Go. Bun. Oh, it all still goes to my app. Just move everything here, and now there we go. And I should have even the, there we are. Perfect. 5-1, 7-3. There we are. We can get started. Now, I don't know how to use the AI SDK, like, at all. So here are my routes, there's the layouts. Okay, so do I have SvelteKit installed here? Wait, do I? If I do, I should be able to go like, I don't know, like if I do like, we'll see. Don't really know. Great, anyways, text dash emerald 500, and need to run dev here. Good. Okay, everything is nice and working. Great. So now I need to figure out how to use the AI SDK in AI SDK SvelteKit. So how do you even integrate this? Okay. AI SDK. Frameworks. SvelteKit OpenAI starter. Looks good. Okay. So let's have a look at source. What do we have here? Routes. Yeah. So we have the page which has /chat, new chat, run client-side tools that are automatically executed. Okay. Oh, this sucks. Okay, this is yeah. Map role to class. Okay. Sure. But basically the whole point is that in the script we do like a new chat, and on the API side we have the chat. Okay, result stream text to UI message stream response. Create OpenAI. Well, we're going to be using Requesty, sorting this stuff out, which is another reason for doing this. Right. Well, first of all, let's get some streaming going. Okay, we have a very simple completions here. We just have stream text. Basically, we have to do this here. And the model is going to be whatever. Actually, does requesty have AI SDK? We do have this. And have a look. What is the main difference here? A lot of tests. Ooh, this is huge. But what is it you do? Maybe. Okay, let's have a look. The requested provider for the AI SDK. Okay, so we're going to be needing this, and we're going to be needing AI. Did they actually get that? It's crazy if they did. Okay. I'll install AI, and then this. Okay. Okay, I need this example again. Okay, you know, so it's going to be super similar to this, and it's not going to be create OpenAI. There's going to be create requesty. Create requesty. Let's go back here, and all they need is yeah, API key. I'm going to have to hide this bit a little bit. Sorry guys, but yeah, basically just getting the API key, popping that down on the .env. Okay. We should be good. So, look how cool this is. This is my favorite feature, I think, of yeah, look, do you see? I just typed this into the .env and I get some really lovely completions. Now, I'm not going to go into that because I will dox myself. Okay, this isn't typed, it needs to be typed. Let's go over it. This is going to be what a server SvelteKit server API route. That's it. Yep. I remember doing this on another project. Twitch Lights API / something like this. Request handler. Yeah, that's what I want. Doesn't like this here. AI. Maybe I guess I need this. Let's restart that, see if it likes it. No, okay. Okay. So it is just stream text. We get a result. Okay, hold on. It doesn't need a model ID, does it? Because the whole... Yeah, let's have a look. Requesty... Here. I want to have... just whatever. Actually don't want doesn't look like there's like I would actually just want it to not basically not just choose whatever modeling it wants. It should be possible, but I guess not. Not so easily, at least. Sure, let's go with this one. Why not? But to UI stream response text? What do you have? To stream. To data stream. This looks wrong. 2 months ago, but AI core. So like I'm on AI. Let's have a look. AI SDK. What to find? I wonder if this is just a types issue, you know? So, okay, we got that there. And if I go here on the chat completions, we can get new completions, and oh god, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's have a look. Script long. Oh no. Oh my god. Script. Oh, there we go. Yeah, much better. Okay. So what do we have? We hand our on key down, we do some stuff here, and we can submit an event. And is this on chat? No, it needs to be on chat. Chat slash. Let's do plus pages svelte. And then this is actually where we're going to be doing a lot of this stuff here. Completion. Let's do dot completion. Great. Okay. And how do we send this over? The value is okay. Let's have a look. Let's continue looking, and we need Chalcien. Haven't really used this, but interested to try. I've got that. I've got that. Got all this. Oh yeah, this is when. Okay. Let's have a look. Text area. Let's do that. What should I go for? Should I go for a neutral? Let's go for a slate. Text area. Wait, did that work? I don't know if that worked. Oh. What'd you do that for? Why did that happen? So, style New York, yeah, there we are, components. Live components. What's happening? Why did it do it here? We're into here. Cyan Svelte kit. I guess I need to do this here. Okay. So, you know, where's my stuff? So, I mean, it did all that. And, oh, it's because I need to, yeah, there we go. Let's go text area. So yeah, this very much looks like just basically a copy. Okay. Let's refresh. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. Okay, so let's bind value. What was the example saying? So we bind the value, the placeholder. Oh yeah, we can do a placeholder. Why am I not getting would this stuff be anyways? You know, I'm not convinced that this was like properly set up, so let's go again. Let's try that again. Oh, come on! I just want to go. Just want to do some stuff. Path to lib. Source/lib. There we are. And then I'm gonna run the CLI again. Whoa, new John content. Hello, love. How are you? You should be working. Okay, there we are. Okay, we got utils, that's better. Okay, should be good now. I can't hear you. Yes, I have seen you. I have seen you. Have a good programming session. Thank you, love. Back to work. It's funny that at libs, lib isn't properly aliased there. So if I do like just hello equals something like this, or actually just 5, and I go in here and I want hello. Not that. Sorry, I'm actually trying to figure out how the aliases are properly working. You know, if I do import all this a from the lib and I go a dot hello, yeah, okay, that works. But that doesn't work. Surely you can do this. If you're not using the default, you need to update this file. Okay, so yeah, let's get rid of this here. Okay, good. Read the instructions, John. Great, so there we go. And I should place holder, there we go. Type something. Good, okay, good. We're all set, we're going. And there's a class, then the handle on key down. So the handle on key down, if event.key is equal to tab and completion.completion, I'm not even sure what that's supposed to mean. So just submit event, which is debounced completion.handle submit. So how about I just do on key down. Oh, it's trying to, right. So it's debouncing it because it wants it to be like a live thing. Svelte handle text inputs. Actually, I have no idea how they. There you go. So let's have a look at bindings. So I guess I need to do let input equals state. Oh, it's just automatically imported as well. Input. If I type in there, find value. Hello. Let's do a button as well. Button. Let's add a button. Well, not here actually. Yeah, here. Oh no, I do want that. Oops. Cheap views. Oh well, thank you, but all good. Come on, I have a button now. So just there we go. And the on click is going to be that. Send. Cool. So then, does this just handle it? Let's try it. Well, slash chat. Hello world. Svelte button on click. What was the example? They just say on key down. Handle submit button click. On click? What's the difference? So on click. Yep. That's right. That doesn't work. Why wouldn't that work? Okay, that's great. And then I can go completion dot on the submit. Did I not send something through then? Trying to figure out how that's happening. Right, so if I do something there, I send it, go into here, What? Nothing. Hello? Chat server. To be fair, this is wrong, isn't it? I don't know, something like this. You know, that's great, but I'm getting nothing apart from that. Okay, I'm going to copy this word for word. Not here, but here. There we are. You know? API completions. Does it default to? Oh, okay. Let's go then. Fine. Completion. Great. Surely that's now found. API/completion server. Not found. Great. Why? Did I do something wrong? Route. Fuck me. Okay. This has to be. Oh, whoops. Okay. Routes, API, server. Okay, good. So now we should be good. And actually, we can just go way back, I think. Indeed for you. This should be fine. Well, I guess not. No, let's try this one. Result.to UI. Okay, the example says we should have that, but I do not have that. But I'm gonna add it anyways and figure out whose error it is, if it's a TypeScript type error or if not. So let's have this here. Ooh, internal error. Okay. Right. Stream not working on proxy. Try the function UI stream response. Ooh. Let's do. Okay, AI SDK. Not you. Let's see if I missed something on the getting started guide. I mean, let's add all these then. To data stream response. Okay. To data stream response. That's much better. Okay, so this is out of date. So we could probably send a pull request for that. Don't know how that worked 2 months ago. It seems a bit fast. An error occurred. Please don't dox me. Not found. Feel like I just copied that from there straight away, so okay. Let's give it a go and try another model. So we do create request the, and then we have this, and then we have that. Okay. Okay, so the other one just wasn't working. Looks like your message might be incomplete. Okay, and let's just have a quick look as to what's going on here. Am I signed into the right account? I think I am. Yeah. Let's do a little bit of live logging. So I didn't know what this was. It's interesting. Can you tell me a little bit about London? Was that just now, or was that before? Can't even tell. Yep, very cool. Okay. Great, so that's working. Now I need to figure out why this here wasn't working. Because that's just handle submit in the same way. So I don't quite get what's going on there. You know, like this looked like it was very much the same. But I guess not. That's debounced on submit is this. Now we have to submit a keyboard event. That doesn't make sense. ASDK completions front end. Let's have a look. Use completions, handle input change. Okay. Okay, so let's stick a little bit more to this, like this type of style. So bind value is actually completion.value or input. We're gonna need you. We're gonna need this. On click completion dot what do we have? Complete. Send a new prompt to the AI endpoint and update the completion state. Form submission to automatically reset input and call the API. We know that that doesn't work, really. I know it does. Okay, cool. Lovely. Now we can actually get to the meat of our application. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's go and write some stuff. You are a personal assistant to John Costa. a software engineer, and you will mostly talk to Rio, John's fiance. Your job is to make sure that Rio's queries are answered without bothering John. However, okay, about John. He is 23. He is a bit silly. He loves cats, memes. He is a programmer. He loves Rio. I could give it access to my calendar as well. That would be so good. You will speaking to Rio. Only forward Rio's messages if you believe them to be urgent. Okay, it won't know how to do that. Hello, is John there, for example? Let's go. Hi, Rio, John's a bit busy. That's so funny. Oh, okay, great. It's great fun. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a tool, and the tool is gonna be on the back end. Tools. What actually are you? Tools. Tool. Oh wow, capital, big capital. So it's tool sets. Tool sets is string to tool. Okay. So it's gonna be forward message. A, B, C, D, I don't really know what's in here. A, B, no, nothing. So, forward message. Oh, I need another one. Forward message. ASDK tool calls. Let's have a look as to how those work really. Tools. Ah. Oh, I got it. Okay, so forward message. So tool. And then this is where I'm going to need Zod. Description. Just forward a message to John. Parameters. Yep. Set the Zod. Set. Come on. Object. Message set.string.describe the message to forward. Description there. Oh, it needs a, yeah, perfect. And then we have a lovely execute. I actually wrote something like this in Golang to, you know, basically this kind of interface in Golang, so you could kind of declaratively tell the AI what tools you want. It was quite nice. Okay, so let's continue here. There is no prompt, right? No, there is. Yeah, for sure, there is. Okay. And we could have a nice little server component that when this is forwarded. Alright, I hope I didn't leak my API key there. The house is burning down. Oh, it just did tool call. The house is burning down. Very good. You must always return a message to Rio if you have forwarded the message. So again, the house is burning down. Send that. The completions. Okay, that sent it to me. But. Okay, this is a little buggy here. Basically, okay. I still want it to generate, you know? Like, I would still like it to, okay, what if I don't have a tool call, you know? What if I just say, hello? Okay, that's very good. Forward this to John, but send me some text as well. Ria says the house is burning down. Oh, that's great. Okay, fine. I'm happy with that for now, I guess. But I do want a little like server component that changes state based on this. So I'm gonna like how do I do this then? Still on chat here. Completion. Let's do tool forwarded dash message that's svelte. Let's do like an like a paragraph. A message has been forwarded, and we want to do this based on the state, on another bit of state. How do we do that though? Let's have a look. So it's SvelteKit reactive changes on. Actually, I'm gonna use some stuff. I am using SvelteKit, and I want to render a server component only if a certain variable changed in the server. This variable can change at any time. I'm not sure I like this, to be honest. Yeah, no, I don't like this actually. Let's basically just go into here and we'll do another one of these, but instead the condition is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be if dot tool call condition dot to come on. I'm gonna have to figure out tool calls there. Let's have a look at this, for example. On tool call. So should this be a chat, actually? I think this should be a chat. Alright. Chat dot messages, isn't it? Yeah, we're gonna have to do message ID, and then each message part, if part text, otherwise if it's tool invocation. Right, okay. I understand. Alright, starting to get it. So right now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna go each, and then I suppose we just end it with like, yeah, each like this. Each chat dot messages as message, and this actually had another thing. Message ID. Oh, is that the unique identifier that it's gonna put on the thing, you know? Let's do div. Yeah, this is just fine, right? And I'm gonna go message dot part dot just how about JSON dot stringify this whole thing. And gotta change this to chat now. And let's have a look at how the chat works. Same thing, like stream text. Oh, okay, good. So we're doing more or less the same thing. Hello. Chat did not work. Why? What was that about? Invalid prompt to message must be defined. Okay. Oh. Oh, right. Got it. That's not gonna do what I wanted. That's it. That's also not what I want. Perfect. Hello. Hello, reorganize issue too. Oh, I'm loving this. This is gonna be very good. The house is burning. Quick. Something she would say. So it's a step start. I get that through. But I also get like the tool call. Right, okay, so over here, what happened was we get each part of the message. This isn't gonna work here, is it? Svelte console log on change. I'm guessing that messages would be like, it's like a store. So they have this inspect, only works during development, production doesn't. Oh, okay, cool. Inspect chat.messages. Great. Let's have a look. House is burning. That's interesting. It still doesn't return the tool calls. Like, does it not want to, or? Run client-side tools that are automatically executed. Okay, that's fine, but I think it should. Send message. Maybe that's what I need. One click. That does send. Okay, I'm getting loads of like weird stuff. Okay, first of all, let's go back. Hello. How are you? What was your last message? Okay, great. I could actually just give it like, I'm using AI SDK. Can you help me because I am running tool calls in the backend, but I cannot see them in the front end, and I need to show something to the user when they do run. Sounds like I might be dealing with issue visibility. Enter dev. No, stop it. No, stop it. It is working 100%, but AI SDK, how do I see the tool calls? What? Okay, let's actually just AI SDK cannot view tool calls on message parts. Maybe, oh, is it, okay. Is this because of some interesting stuff to do with how we're getting this here? Okay, so actually, I think that might be it. Let's start here. So if this, otherwise, slash if we're gonna go through this. Using an index as a thing that should be, it's probably bad. Otherwise, in here we're gonna write part dot tool invocation dot just JSON dot stringify. There we go. Okay, cool. Maybe that works better. House is burning. Well, it wasn't coming through either. Bro, okay. Oh, is that why? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, now, okay, good. That was a weird silent error. We need to return something from the backend for it to actually know that we've executed something. Otherwise, it doesn't know. Yeah, here we are. Burning states result step 0 tool call ID tool call name. Resource house is burning. Great. Okay. And let's literally return the message. Let's make it an identity function, and then here we're going to go and write div class padding 4 rounded. It's going to have a background of a nice amber to signify some urgency, and we're going to go part.tool invocation dot state nope dot well we'll see, won't we? What is it? Okay, that's fine. Parts tool invocation state args message state, oh, just dot result, but it didn't seem to have that, did it? Okay, and part dot tool invocation dot state is equal to result am I not narrowing this down enough? Invocation. Oh, okay. I'm silly. There we go. That's better. Oh, whoops. Page plus page. This one here. This is burning. Great. Oh, that's pretty good so far. Now, what I would like to happen is I need to now create a Telegram bot that she can talk with, and this goes over through there. However, I am quite hungry, so I'm gonna go have lunch and stop streaming, but I will